Hey there, I'm going to go through how to find this scavenger hunt for you. I'm going to go to week 1, and I believe the scavenger hunt would have been last week. Yep, right here. So you're going to click on that. And this scavenger hunt is referring to asking questions about my digital classroom. So going back right over here, I'm going to go back to my course. Actually, let's click there. And my digital classroom is this. So these questions here are going to reference what's happening in this digital classroom of information for you. So for example, if you click right here, it should open. It's not opening right now. Well, it should be a live link. Hopefully that works for you guys. There we go. So you can pull up the agenda. Usually there we go. Now the links are working. So it is up to you to go around, find the digital classroom questions, and locate it in the digital classroom. I hope that helps. Have a great day.